Hi students, welcome back. Let's continue with our display devices in computer graphics. So I said there are different types of display devices that are present. So in the previous video I explained about one of the displaying device, that is a CRT, cathode ray tube. Now coming to the next display device, that is a random scan display device. Random scan display. So how this random scan will be occurred? So in the CRT, I said it's a cathode ray tube. The electrodes are emitting on the phosphorus so that the light can be emitted. Now what is the process of random scan display? Now let's see. It uses an electron beam which operates like a pencil to create a line image on CRT screen. So in the cathode ray screens, the screen is same for almost all the display devices. The CRT screen we are using. But in this random scan, we use one technique, that is pencil. So it operates like a pencil. The electron beams, whatever the electron beams that are there, that electron beams which operate like a pencil to create a line image on the CRT screen. The picture is constructed out of the sequence of straight line segments. So here in the random scan, the one thing that you have to be remember that the picture is constructed out of a sequence of straight line segment. It's just a straight line segment. So like this, a straight line. So this is one line segment, another line, another line. So this is straight line segment. Each line segment is drawn on the screen by directing the beam to move from one point on the screen to the next. Suppose if let's take this is a segment, the line segment. How it is will be drawing. So here the beam of the screen is directing to move from one point to the next point on the screen, where its x and y coordinates defines each point. After drawing the picture, the system cycles back to the first line and designs all the lines of the image. Means suppose this is a CRT screen. So first it starts here and continue the image like this. So after completion of everything, again the line will comes to the starting position. That is a cycle. After drawing the picture, the system cycles back. The system cycles back to the first line. And design all the lines of the image. So 30 to 60 times each second. So here it takes a 30 to 60 times each second. Let's see the process here. So I said the electron beam will be like this. It's just a pencil like image. Okay, pencil. It draws the line segment. So it's just focus here. This is a CRT screen. So it draws the line segment. After this line segment, it goes like here. Okay, it's just drawing the triangle here. Drawing the triangle. So after completion of the triangle, it will comes to the starting position. Okay, where it starts, the ending position will be also like this. Okay, here. So whenever the process is complete, the light ray will be comes to the starting position. Here the random scan monitors are also known as a vector display or a stroke writing display, or even we call it as a calligraphy display. Okay, so this random scan display we call it as vector display, or we can call it as a stroke writing display, or even a calligraphic display. Okay. So this is about the random scan. Let me explain what are the advantages and disadvantages of using the random scan. A CRT has an electron beam directed only to the parts of the screen where an image to be drawn. Okay, so this is one of the advantages, where the electron beam is directed only to the part of the screen, not to the entire screen, only to the part of the screen where the image has to be drawn. So to that part of screen only the electron beam will be directed. It produces smooth line drawing, and it has a high resolutions. Okay, now let's see the disadvantage. The disadvantages of using this random scan display is the random scan monitors cannot display realistic shade senses. Okay, so it cannot display realistic shade scenes. So this is about the random scan display. In the next video, I'll explain about another display technique. Thank you.